What's up? This your boy No Chill Chad checking in. Got some goodies from the good people over at Hammer Fab. Just another piece of the project, and this is going on my car. So this is going on my truck. This is going on my car. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing, show you the product. It's a great product for your 4th gen cars, especially for anybody that's thinking about installing aftermarket audio in their car. So this right here is just going to be one of the other pieces to my audio journey. I kind of decided that I needed some music in my car, so decided that this was just going to be one of those things to kind of just get me started in that direction, because of course I like to have all my stuff clean, hidden, and everything just done right, everything just stacked up right. Unfortunately, with the 4th gen, there aren't many options to be able to install your speakers and your amplifiers and things like that. Just how the car is set up is small, so when you want to do a really nice system, either you got to go like all out custom, or you just got to have like a really small system. But what Hammer Fab does is they make something that actually helps keep everything hidden, and it's really nice, and it's built for the car. So check this out. They did some really good packaging, good nice bubble wrap, and I appreciate them. Check them out here, hammerfab.com. They also offer classes. They offer a lot of different parts for a lot of different vehicles. So just check them out. You got any kind of old school F-body, Mopar, whatever it is, they have a lot. Just check them out. Check out their Instagram as well. Comes with hardware, and here we go, guys. So I think the one that they sell comes raw. I got mine powder coated, the hammer tone satin, just to keep it clean. But this right here is going to go where the spare tire goes, and this is a hidden amp rack. So you'll be able to mount your amp here. If you have a smaller amp, you can mount it here, and it'll just hide over where the spare tire goes, and it's out the way, and it's a nice little piece for installation. So it's pretty cool, pretty cool. Hardware is included. It's gonna be a nice little install. So what I'm gonna do is just go ahead and go get it installed now. It's a small piece, it's not really complicated, so we should better go and get this done. So of course, I'm gonna take out the screws, check out all the screws, disconnect the speaker. You look at some of my other videos, you'll see that I had added sound deadening to all up in here. I use an 18mm socket to get this bolt off. Also gonna remove this bolt right here, 13mm. I'm gonna place the mount under the seatbelt mount so it can be flush. So with the new hardware provided, it was actually easier to line up the hole in the middle by putting this bolt down here on the bottom first to line it up, and then put in the middle hole, tighten it down, and then now I'm gonna put the hardware for the one on the bottom. So it's 18mm, 13mm, and then the new hardware is 13mm as well. It is solid. So I'll put the dimensions up on the page so you can see what the dimensions are up here for an amp, and then also you have access right there for an amp. So I'll be able to run 2 amps, highs, lows, whatever, and it'll be out the way. And then I can still have my sub over here, or I still haven't decided if I want to do another sub box over here or how I want to do it, but easy peasy install. I mean, it took 10 minutes total. So got these fingerprints on it, so I'm gonna use my Holley interior protector cleaner spray, get those fingerprints off. Boom, cleaned it up real good, and it smells great. Like, it smells really good. So there you have it, guys. And then now you just do your reverse install and get your panels back on, and solid, it's not going anywhere. And voila, so we got a super easy install. The part was relatively cost effective, great quality part, and everything in the trunk is hidden. Kind of keeps that factory stockish look, of course. And like I said, it probably took me, what, 15 minutes to kind of do everything. But yeah, shout out to Hammer Fab. They make a great product. I can't wait to see what other products they come up with as well. But this was definitely a dope idea. So, because at first I was thinking about putting amps here or mounting them here. You know, I just had a whole bunch of ideas, but I wanted to make sure I keep my T-top slides. So this is what came about. So I love some good ingenuity. So definitely recommend it. 10 out of 10. Hit up Hammer Fab. I'm gonna put the link where you can order yours. Thank you for tuning in, guys. If you have any questions, any concerns, any you know, anything you guys want to see, what you think should be next for the car, make sure you hit me up, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video, man. You guys take it easy.